Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about survival gadgets for men. Whether you're an avid camper, adventurous hiker, or just someone who likes to be prepared for any situation, these gadgets are a must-have. So get ready to gear up with the latest and most innovative survival tools that will make your outdoor experiences safer and more enjoyable. Let's dive in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Camis Highland Branch Saw. The Camis Highland Branch Saw is a reliable and efficient tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Featuring a rugged and durable design, the saw excels in cutting through branches and small logs with ease. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to carry in a backpack or survival kit. Whether you're setting up camp, clearing trails, or building shelter, the Camis Highland Branch Saw is the perfect companion for tackling woodcutting tasks in the wilderness. With its sharp teeth and ergonomic handle, you'll breeze through cutting tasks with precision and efficiency. Camis Carnivore. The Camis Carnivore is an indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. This compact and versatile multi-tool combines several essential functions in one convenient package, with features like a sharp blade for cutting, a serrated edge for sawing through tough materials, a built-in bottle opener, and a fire starter. And Camis Carnivore is designed to handle a variety of tasks in the wilderness. Its durable construction and ergonomic design make it easy to wield, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever challenges nature throws your way. Steambow AR6 Stinger 2. The Steambow AR6 Stinger 2 is a cutting-edge survival gadget that combines the power of a crossbow with the convenience of a compact and portable design. With its innovative steam power system, this versatile tool delivers impressive accuracy and projectile speed, making it ideal for hunting or self-defense in survival situations. Its lightweight construction and collapsible design make it easy to carry and deploy, ensuring you're always ready to handle threats or procure food in the wilderness. The Steambow AR6 Stinger 2 is a game changer for survivalists seeking reliable and powerful weaponry. Endure. Endure is a rugged and reliable survival bracelet designed to provide essential tools and resources to emergency situations. Crafted from durable paracord, it unravels to reveal a length of versatile rope for various purposes such as shelter building or securing gear. Additionally, Endure features a built-in compass for navigation, a whistle for signaling distress, and a flint fire starter for igniting flames. Compact and lightweight, it's the perfect accessory for outdoor adventurers. Zippo 4-in-1. The Zippo 4-in-1 is an essential survival tool that combines 4 functionalities in a compact and durable package. Its sleek design houses a refillable butane lighter, ensuring you have a reliable source of fire in any condition. Additionally, it features a knife blade for cutting tasks, a saw blade for wood cutting, and a removable flashlight for illumination in low light situations. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency, the Zippo 4-in-1 provides the versatility and reliability you need to tackle various challenges in the outdoors. Baja Shovel. The Baja Shovel is a robust and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic design make it perfect for digging trenches, clearing debris, or building shelters in wilderness environments. The foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, making it an essential addition to any outdoor adventure or emergency kit. Whether you're camping, off-roading, or facing a survival situation, the Baja Shovel is a reliable companion that empowers you to tackle tasks with efficiency and ease. Tentsformer. In 2021, with approximately 450 million overnight camping trips worldwide, the creators of this innovative poncho tapped into the thriving market. This versatile poncho doubles as its small tent measuring 260 by 125 centimeters. Need more space? No problem. 2 ponchos can be joined together with a zipper. Weighing just 600 grams, the medium-sized model includes 6 pegs and 3 guy lines for stability. Crafted from breathable fabric, it offers protection from the sun and heavy rain. It's also priced at $60, so it's pretty versatile and affordable. Wicked Laser's Flash Torch. The creators of the Flash Torch boasted as the world's brightest flashlight, capable of remarkable feats like starting fires, heating water, and even melting metal. However, there are some caveats. The lamp's lifespan is limited to about 100 hours, and its most powerful mode It only operates for 15 minutes on a single charge. Survival laces. To enhance laces for hikers, hunters, fishermen, and adventurers, a method from the USA involves incorporating paracords into standard nylon laces. These upgraded laces come with hidden features such as a fishing line, a strand of tinder, and a ferrocarrium rod within each shoelace. Available for $15 a pair. Available for $15 per pair, they offer various lengths ranging from 122 to 213 centimeters. Duct tape. This duct tape proves invaluable on your next adventure, with limitless potential uses limited only by your imagination. From crafting a water container to making cordage, securing a bandage, or preventing blisters on your feet, its versatility knows no bounds. The tape, measuring 5 centimeters wide, is waterproof and robust enough to construct a shelter, yet it tears easily into strips with bare hands. It's priced at $11 per roll, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Muerte. Muerte is a robust and versatile survival knife designed to handle the toughest outdoor challenges. Crafted from high-quality materials, it features a razor-sharp blade for cutting through various materials with precision. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use, while the built-in fire starter ensures you can ignite flames easily in any conditions. With its durable construction and multifunctional design, Muerte is an essential tool for adventurers, campers, and survivalists alike, empowering users to tackle tasks and overcome obstacles in the wilderness. A-Stream. A-Stream is a lifeline in the wilderness, offering more than just a source of water. It provides vital hydration for survival, but also serves as a navigation tool guiding travelers through dense forests and rugged terrain. Streams often harbor edible plants and wildlife, offering opportunities for foraging and fishing. Moreover, the shooting sound of flowing water can provide a sense of calm and tranquility in stressful situations. In the wild, a stream is not just water, it's a source of life, an essential resource for survival. As we conclude our journey through these 15 survival gadgets, remember that preparation is key to conquering the great outdoors. Each tool holds the promise of safety and adventure, empowering you to thrive amidst challenges. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep adventuring. Until next time, stay safe and may your adventures be filled with triumph and resilience.